Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's mist and rain, but that ain't gonna stop me from making a video for y'all because I'm a dedicated YouTuber. And you gotta respect the hustle. So yeah, we're about to get into it. Wednesday's getting close, so I hope y'all are ready. It's currently still raining and the seat's wet, so it's gonna be not fun sitting down, so I don't think I am. I've always wanted to go through a wet plowed field and make it like really muddy, but I'm not gonna do that because we don't own the field. But one day I'm gonna buy a field just for the purpose of plowing it, letting it rain, and then driving through it. No intent of planting anything. I just feel like it'd be a cool thing to do and get really muddy and be fun to ride in. I don't know if I'm the only one that wants to try that. Like, just make the whole thing nothing but bottomless mud. That'd be so cool. Fun to go through right now, but I'm a law-abiding citizen and I would never trespass. Whoever littered, I'm gonna find them. I'm gonna let them know. I will find them. There's no one litters in my ditch on my dirt road. Show for the cars driving down the road. I make it my personal job to keep them entertained, and actually that's probably not the safest thing to do, because if I take their attention, then they can't keep their eye on the road. And when driving, you want to keep your eyes on the roads, for those of y'all that don't know that, because you might run into something and it probably wouldn't be really good for you. Alright, we're gonna sit down on the moist seat. Alright, I think we're good. Sick jump real quick, like the goat I am. Alright. Brody, did you just avoid mud? Well, I was gonna see how fast I could get going, but then I remembered that either way I'm gonna have to go through mud right there. So I'll go back through it on the way back. I got signed up for 4-H today, so your best odds other than meeting me like randomly at State Sport Power Sports when I'm up there and you happen to be up there that day, your second best odds at meeting me, I know we have Bagall, I don't know the exact date, but you can definitely catch me there if you want a chance to meet me, so y'all be ready for that. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to meet me because I'm looking kind of lame in person. But if you do, that's probably your best chance. That or like, if I ever say I'm going to an event, be there. Or else I'm gonna be disappointed in y'all. If I qualify for Rock Eagle, y'all can definitely catch me there. Which I think I can easily qualify, but knowing me, I'll do something stupid and like choke because I'm notorious for not clutching up. Sports bikes owners are watching this making fun of me whip through these little trails. They're like, what a pleb without a manual clutch. Alright, let's keep going. Reason I didn't go that way is because to the real fans that watch every video, well, not the real fans, everybody's a real fan if you're subscribed. To all the like, we'll call y'all the bro gang or something. Just all my like people that watch every video consistently know that over there's rutted out bad. And we honestly might bottom out right here. Never mind. Water wheelie for the gang. Oh, it actually started the wheelie, but then the tires are spun and I just spun out. I wonder how deep right here is today. Halfway up the front tire, so just at the floorboards, nothing too special. I'm thinking hard on making the gaming channel too. If y'all want to see that, let me know in the comments, because if we get a gaming channel, I'll probably upload twice a week, not every day like this, because like I'm not going to be that consistent on 2 channels, but I can definitely make a gaming channel instead of uploading it, because I don't want to start uploading gaming videos on here. On the gaming channel, I'll probably stream a little bit too though, so if I make it, I'll let y'all know, and y'all are definitely going to want to subscribe and get us to 1K on there too. And then I'll be able to say I have 1,000 subscribers on 2 channels. I mean, the kids in my class would be amazed. It's actually kind of cool how everybody at school kind of knows me as that YouTuber kid, even though there's only like not many people at my school. Like they all knew me before, but now they're like all under my YouTube. Even the people that don't know me like that, they know about my YouTube somehow. It's kind of cool and it's nice. All thanks to you guys changing my life. Cool. Water wheelie. Oh dang it, the carb stuttered and the GoPro mount just keeps slipping down. I'm so tired of this thing. I'm definitely gonna have to get a new one or something, because this ain't working. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. It slides way too much. Because I feel like I'd be pretty dangerous, in my opinion. Like, I might break my spine, but who needs a spine anyways? It's not like you have to have one to walk. Decided to like shift bad. I'm ready for my dad to get off work so I have someone to mess with and talk trash to, because I love insulting my dad. I can't be the only one that does that for entertainment, and so he like threatens to beat me up, and then I get a little nervous. I'm just kidding. I ain't scared of nobody. I'm the toughest tad in the world. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. Thank y'all for watching if you made it this far.